Welcome back to another video. Today we got a Black Friday 3-day sale from Harbor Freight. We got November 29th, November 30th, and December 1st. I guess this is the official Black Friday ad they're gonna have for this year. This is courtesy of the blackfriday.com. So this is where I found this ad. You guys feel free to go to the blackfriday.com and look at this ad. Otherwise, you can look at this video. It says Harbor Freight Black Friday 2019 ad, sales and deals, Black Friday 2019 store ads, Harbor Freight Black Friday ad. It says Black Friday store hours offline, 7 a.m. to 12 a.m. on Friday. Black Friday deals. Okay, Harbor Freight Black Friday ad. It says shop early for the best selection. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more of the tool news, tool deals. As we can see, we got Black Friday 3-day sale, save up to 90%. It says Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, November 29th, 30th, and December 1st. Extended store hours 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. and 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. on Saturday. Regular hours on Sunday. All right, we got the first ones. We got the Predator. Prepare for the unexpected. 4,000 watt max starting gas powered generator. You got a 10-hour runtime. $299.99. This is one of the lowest prices we've seen so far. I would recommend this generator for you guys. If you guys, I do have one. I just purchased it at the parking lot sale, October parking lot sale. I will be coming out with the review and a video. But yeah, $299 is probably it is the cheapest we've seen it. So we got other than that, we got the 44x22 double bank extra deep cabinets. Same thing. This is definitely a great price. It's $100 off regular price. $499 regular price, $399 Black Friday price. We got the Franklin Type IA multi-test ladder, $98.99. This one's we seen it, I believe, for $99, so you get $1 off on that. Not really a smoking deal, but if you need it, get it. This one's been the same price, $29.99. It's always been that price. You got heavy duty 3-ton steel floor jack, $79.99. It's a great jack, great price. Professional 3-ton steel floor jacks, $89.99. Definitely recommend that for you guys. Let's see here. Where can we change it to the next page? All right, we got a swivel TV wall mount. It is the lowest oh shoot. Okay. It is the lowest price we've seen. We've seen them for $9.99. If you're planning on getting any of these are actually lower than price we've seen before. So $7.99 for that, $9.99 for this one, and $29.99 for this one. The dual arm mounts there. Then we got a Flux 125 Chicago welding, electric welding, $89.99. This is one of the lowest we've seen. $149 for this one. This is the Easy Flux 125, $149.99. And then we got the 1/2 inch heavy duty extreme torque, $59.99. Great price. Here's another great item here. A couple bucks off of regular price. Well, it's not really a couple bucks off. It's couple dollars more than the cheapest price we've seen before from our parking lot sales. So you got 5,000 lumen LED hanging shop lights, $18.99. You got the Badlands ZR 12,000 truck SUV winch, $89.99. You got the 200 lumen LED super bright flip lights, $199. This used to be free. Now it's selling it. This is one of the lowest we've seen it too. Warrior 18-volt lithium 3/8 drill and driver, $22.99. These are pretty much regular prices here at the bottom. Regular Harbor Freight sale prices. This is Black Friday on the top. We got Good and Better. It's $159 for that. We've seen this for $149. We haven't seen a coupon for that. $174.99. It is a little bit lower, a few bucks. Avanti paint sprayer, $44.99. This is the Rapid Pump 3-ton steel Super Duty floor jack, $179. This is, remember guys, this is a Snap-on one. This is the one that's made in the same factory as Snap-on. We got the 10-inch 15 amp job site table saw, $249.99. 40-inch working platform, $37.99. This is we've seen this. This is the cheapest. Reciprocating saw, it's always been $19.99. Not anything different. Let's see here. We got the Portland pressure washer, $77.99. We got a reel here. I can't see what the $49.99 for the reel, air hose reel. Pittsburgh, it's always been $19.99. This one we've seen them for $19.99, but they are cheaper, $1 off. This one's $149. We actually had them cheaper on the parking lot sale. I believe it was $139.99. If I'm not bad. You get a 30-inch by 18 hardwood dolly, $10.99. This is $1 cheaper there. 12 1 air infrared laser thermometer, $16.99. This is a little cheaper too. Blue design art darkening welding helmets, $37.99. Then you got the 4 amp automatic microprocessor controlled battery charger maintain. Wow, where do these come up with all these names? You know, I could just name it Viking 4 amp charger. You know. Anyways, $21.99 for that. You got the 60-inch hardwood workbench, $114. You got the digital inspection camera, $49.99. Not really smoking deals here at the bottom. You got a 2 for $5. This used to be free. Got a lot of those in my shop or around the house. It says 3-day sale, extended store. Okay. Got the Predator 3,500 watt super quiet, $689.99. I believe we've seen this for $699 and higher. Might be a few dollars off. 500 lumen LED solar security lights, $24.99. 32 piece fully polished SAE electric combination bench set, $14.99. Pneumatic adjustable roller seat, $18.99. Mechanics roller seat, $44.99. Same price. This is a dollar cheaper than the price we've seen before. This is a 64 piece 1/4 and half an inch straight socket, $27.99. And this is the 12 volt lithium ion 3/8 extreme torque ratchet kit. This is cheaper. We've seen it for $99. So we got a few dollars off there. All right, the saws, we got $139 for the Chicago Electric, $169 for the Admiral, and $299 for the Hercules. $89 for, I believe this is the Chicago Electric miter saw stand. $139 for the shop press. $128.99 for the shop crane, and then you got Pro Air Impact, $99. 2,500 pound. Yeah, usually we see this for $49.99. Now we have it for $47. $38.99 for the dollies. $13.94 for the pliers. Not really the best pliers. I would definitely recommend Quinn or the Doyles. Let's see here. Got the 4x36 belt and 6-inch disc sander. $57.99, and this is the 10 amp 1 1/8 SDS Pro rotary. $69.99. The Braun or the Quantum. This is cheaper. We usually see it for $4.99. Now we're gonna see it for $3.99. So definitely a great light to get. I'm probably gonna pick up myself another light, since it's cheaper. Let's see here if this is still. Let's see here. Got the Black Friday 3-day sale. Same thing. They got the U.S. General 30-inch 5-drawer mechanics carts, $179.99. Usually we see this for $189.99, so we got a little cheaper there. 9,000 watt max starting, extra long life gas power generator, $589.99. This is not a bad item here for $199, your choice. $59.99. We've seen this before, but it's a great deal. $169 is a great price. Let's see, 301 mechanic set, $169. Multifunction power tools, $12.99. $54 for the Bauer. We got the 800-pound capacity Bigfoot hand truck, $44.99. This is the newer one, the one with I guess it doesn't have the, yeah, it does have the solid rubber tires. $39.99 for the compressors. It's a 6-gallon, 150 psi. Oh yeah, that's for the bottom one. $99. This is $59.99. I do have it on my channel. Feel free to check it out. It's a great price for that. $60. Same thing. It's always been the price. Always been this price on the parking lot sale. And this is one of the cheapest we've seen, $18.99. So I will definitely get this on the Black Friday deal. Ratcheting, tie downs. Let's see here. Not a bad price. We get a dollar less than usually the parking lot sales on this one. I guess that is the last page. Yeah, that is the last page for the Black Friday. Well, not a lot of super great deals, but we do have some good ones. A few here and there. So don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, 2 deals, and we'll see you guys in the next one.